Morning, everybody. It's 8:43 on Thursday, and because it's Thursday, it's Claims Day, and this is video number 1464 for Thursday morning. Okay, to get started, Asia and Europe both were down overnight, mirroring our sell-off. Um, the 2 year is trading well above 409, and the 210 spread is 52, a number that it hasn't seen in decades. The Dow, when I came down, was up 4, NASDAQ down 35, S&P down 7. Right before the numbers came out, we were up 98. We were flat in the NASDAQ and up 6 in the S&P. After the numbers, and right now, we are back to up 111. NASDAQ is basically unchanged, and the S&P is up a couple of dollars. So, nothing too overwhelming. The claims were up on the new claims 213,000. That's up 5,000. On continuing claims, uh, it was 1,379,000, which was down 22,000. So at least that is somewhat good news. Interest rates around the world: Indonesia, Switzerland, Norway, the UK, all increased their lending rates overnight. So everybody seems to be catching up. Japan left theirs unchanged, but they did intervene in the yen, which of course did absolutely no good whatsoever. Lennar and KB Homes, very strange set of numbers. KB Homes with a solid miss, and Lennar with a slight gain. However, the narrative is KB Homes complaining about how bad things are, and Lennar talking about how good things are. Maybe it's their general bent on um, what the sales are in their segments, but it makes no sense to see one being ebullient and the other being dismal. And getting to that, this just shows you the level of unmitigated bullshit. Salesforce was on Kramer last night, and as usual, Kramer had to take a shower and wipe the brown off his nose. But what was interesting was that Mark Benioff was talking about how things were going to improve and gave a $50 billion revenue mark for 2026. This guy missed last quarter and the quarter before, and we expect him to be accurate with 4 years from now. Unbelievable. We have the LEI coming out at 10, and we have the EIA levels of nat gas coming out at 10:30. Oil has bounced again, up $1.52. It was down $1 yesterday. It's up $1.52 today. Um, Gold up 12.80. Silver up 29 cents. So both of those are decent moves back to the upside. The grains, mixed. Soybeans up a little, wheat and corn down a little. And when I say a little, corn is down a half a cent a bushel, so can't get too excited about that. And wheat, after being up $63 the day before yesterday, is down 6 3/4. So I really can't complain about that either. Bitcoin up 180. Ethereum down 2050. I would say that was a sell on the news of the merge, because clearly it really hasn't changed things. And Ethereum bottomed at about 1,000, ran all the way up to 17 and change. So it had a 70% run while Bitcoin was just kind of lazing around. And now the Ethereum has given back $400 or $500 of that to be 1,300. So as usual, sell the rumor, buy the news. And the bonds are down 13/32. The long end, on the long end, the short end still moving substantially higher. All right, everyone, I'll be back.